Hey Martin, you're telling me that the sprinkler that's coming out of here and the amount of water that's coming out has to reach all the way over to you and vice versa.
Yeah, absolutely. It's got to hit here.
Wow.
So that this one and then hits there.
That is quite a distance for that to happen.
Yeah.
But on a residential level, it's not that far, is it?
No, 10 or 15 feet.
So do we need to break out our rocket science books to figure out how far it's going to happen?
No, you just need to break your lawn area up into squares.
Okay.
Right? Probably 10 to 15 foot squares. Everyone's area is a little different. Break it up into squares, and when you go to your irrigation house, get sprinklers that match that distance. So if you're on 10 foot, you know what I do? I go to 12 feet.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I like to go a little extra. It seems to give me a little better efficiency.
Okay, so the number one question that I actually get on my radio show happens to be kind of like the silliest question, but it's an important one. And that is, am I overwatering my lawn? And when I hear that question, I'm thinking to myself, you answered your own question.
Yeah, they probably are.
So lawns really don't need as much water as people actually think that they do.
Yeah, and what also happens is the system, they didn't get that head-to-head. I see that a lot, right? And so they're having to overwater to get that dry spot, right? So there's areas there, the water is not uniform, that we call this uniformity. So if you're not getting head-to-head, you won't have good uniformity, which means you'll have areas that get more water than other areas.
Then when that happens, it's going to be browner over here, possibly greener.
Yeah.
Or because you're overwatering, it becomes brown.
Yeah, it can go that way too. Yeah, by the way, here's a real quick way to test that.
How's that?
Go get your screwdriver out of your garage. Okay, go to your brown area, probe it, and go to the green area and probe it. Well, if it goes in real easy in the green area and real hard in the brown area, what do you think went on there?
Yeah.
Right? So we obviously didn't get as much water there, which means you have a uniformity issue.
Okay.
Not a fertilizer problem, not a disease problem, but a water problem.
Because that's always the first thing people
Yeah.
think of.
Right.
That's a really good point.